Hi, it's Mercedes, and I'm going to show you how to use a website called Learning Chocolate. So we're going to type in Learning Chocolate into our Google window, and it already comes up. You can see here learningchocolate.com. I'm going to click on it. And here we can go way up here where it says category. Click here to choose. We're going to click. And you can see here it's got, for the beginning, alphabet, numbers, shapes, time, body, clothing, people, food, house, jobs, school, and so on. And you can see over here it also has grammar. So these are all our sort of vocabulary topics, and we've got grammar over here. So let's pick body and health. I'm going to click on it. And you see all these different options come up. So let's pick on parts of the body. Good. And all these pictures come up. And you can click on the little sound symbol.
Face. Fingers.
And we can hear the word as well as see it. And then up here you've got match up 1, match up 2, match up 3, fill in and dictation. And these are all the different activities that you can do with these set of words. So we're going to pick and click on match up 1. And here we can listen to the words.
I.
And we take I. So we found the word I. And we take the sound recording.
I.
And it matches. We can click on any of these sound recordings.
Mouth.
We find the right word.
Mouth.
And we click on
mouth
until we have matched all of our different sound recordings
leg
to all the different words. Once we've done that, we can go back and we can go into match up 2, and that's a different activity. And here we are matching up the words with the part of the body. So here we've got our nose. So we find the word nose, which I can't find, or mouth. There's mouth. Let's put up mouth. And we've got ear. And we've got face. That might be head. And we've got here hair. And here we've got nose, which I was looking for earlier. Until we've finished matching up all the words with the parts of the body. And then we can go back and we can do match up 3. And match up 3 again is the same. We're matching, but this time not with words, with the parts of the body we've remembered. So
ear.
So we find out where ears.
Ear.
And we take ear up to the sound.
Ear.
Ear.
Nose.
And we take
nose.
Nose. And so on until they're all done. And then we've got fill in. And here it's all about us typing up. So here we would click on ear. And it's checking our spelling. Nose. Until we've done all of the words around. And then we're going to go back using our back arrow. And then dictation. Listening and typing.
Hand.
Hand.
Feet.
Feet. And then until all of them are finished. And then we can go back. So you can see this Learning Chocolate website gives us lots to pick from, and we can pick all sorts of different types of words, vocabulary, as we had here, or we could even pick some grammar.